Welcome to TutorialsArena's Rapid Fire MCQ Challenge. Get ready to ignite your knowledge in data science and AI. Brain-tickling questions are coming your way, fast and furious. Let's level up your skills, right here, right now. What is the use of import OS in Python? The correct option is option B, file operations and system calls. The OS module allows interaction with the operating system, like reading directories and environment variables. Which method checks if a file exists? The correct option is option A, OS path exists. The OS path exists method checks whether a file or directory exists. What happens when this function is used? The correct option is option C, appends data. Mode A. Opens the file in append mode. It adds content at the end. What does os.remove function do? The correct option is option C, deletes file. The os.remove method deletes the specified file. What is returned by this method? The correct option is option C, one line. Readline method reads the first line of the file as a string. What will be the result of this expression? The correct option is option B, nothing happens. The except block catches the error silently if no specific error type is mentioned. Alright folks, hope you enjoyed that rapid fire MCQ session on TutorialsArena. Keep practicing those concepts. If you found it helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more data science and AI goodness. Questions or suggestions? Drop them below. Check the description for more resources at tutorialsarena.com. Thanks for tuning in, and keep learning. See you next time.